Here we observe two chickens at a crucial moment in poultry history, attempting the age-old question, to cross or not to cross.
One, full of bravado. He believes in shortcuts. And destiny.
The other, a realist. Or just very attached to being alive.
Right, let's do this. Best side of the road, here we come.
And just when hope seems scrambled, enter Grandma.
Sometimes crossing the road is less about courage and more about catching a ride.